it's your boy Dark Pole Algo, and welcome back. I just wanted to do a quick video on what I'm looking at this week as far as the market is concerned. I'm a little under the weather, so I'm going to keep it brief. Hopefully, I don't have to cough in front of everybody. All right, so looking at the daily charts on ES, going from this low to this high, we had a nice retrace back to the 618, which is the current move that we're in now. Okay. We've hit the 127 last week, and this is on the daily chart. I'm looking for a move up to 49.61 to complete this move, right? The 141. A lot of people say the 161, but I just target the 141 because it's a little bit easier money. Looking at the current intraday, current move here, which is, so this is a longer term move. And we want to get the current move, which is this move here from this retrace, fill breakout, little doji back down into here. So this move here, right? If we retrace, we're going to come back down into 48.59. There is previous high support at the 50% retrace, 48.40. So if we're looking for a downside move, right? 618 would be the first test. Move down to 50%, and then we've got a very large zone of support down at the 48.40. If we continue to move to the upside, we're looking at 49.61 and 49.93, starting to get up some of this, super all-time highs. All right, moving over to NQ. All right. So from this current move up to the retrace to the move up, all right, we're just going to look at this part right here. So from the low to the high, right, back down to the low, right, we've hit the 141 from this larger move here where we retraced, held the 50% with a doji, and now we're moving back up. Okay, so we've got to move from here to here, back down to 50% retrace. We hit the 141, close below the 127, so if we need to come back down to previous highs for support, it would be in this area here. If we wanted to, we could take, right, 50% retrace would be at previous highs, 618. So looking for a potential move down to support to complete this longer term move here up into 18,000, right? All right. The YM, which has been pretty decent, right? Downtrend, consolidation, and then a breakout, right? So this large move here was traded out. Now we've got, from the beginning of the year, contract rollover. We have a move up. There is a gap here in this area that we need to keep in mind as if we turn down. But move up, we held the 618 retrace, so now we're looking for the original, the target of 38,912, right? So, and then the smaller move here where, right, came up, we retraced the 618, right? And that's this move up to 38,912, but I like the consolidation, the cluster, the Fibonacci cluster at 38,682 to 38,711. So, right, the Dow, for the continue to move to the upside, we do have support in here, previous highs. Next up, the old Russell. Everybody loves the Russell. I have been trading some combines lately. I like trading the Russell because it's pretty predictable, right? Consolidation, right? Downtrend, consolidation, move up, right? Move up, move down, move up, completed that move, consolidation, move up, support, big move up, and now it appears to be trying to make a larger move down to the support area here, okay? So if we do not, so this 382, so we're looking at this downtrend here, right? If we continue to retrace or move to higher, to the highs again, and once this 382, we get a daily close above it, or at least the bar is 50% above it, then this downtrend move is invalidated and we're looking at an uptrend. So if we move up, right, off of this one here, which we held some support at 1975, big support area. So if we can continue to move upward and break 2023, I would look to go long up to previous highs. If we continue to fail at this Fibonacci 50% resistance, then I'm going to look for a continued move back down to here. All right. Gold, it's kind of the same deal, right? We had a large move down, right? We retraced to the 382. We didn't close above it, so this downtrending move is still possible. This is a lot of consolidation right now. Not really super interested in gold. I think that it's going to consolidate for the next till at least March. Okay. Looking at crude, right? Downtrend, right? If we were to fib this move here, let's just do it, right? Oh. All right. Nice downtrend, retrace, didn't break the 382, so it's still downtrending. We came down, hit the 127, 1414. I put that 1414 in there because I think we get a lot of burst moves to it, right? A little retrace, 1618. Target met, longer term target met, right? So this downtrend, I believe, is over. And now we're starting to new uptrend. We have to consolidate first, right? We got to move up here, right? Let's do that, right? See how we closed below the 382, but not 50% of the bar below it, right? So this is still a valid move up. There's just going to be some consolidation here. All right, let's remove that one. So I'm looking at this shorter move right here. So from this high to this low, right? I'm going to continue to move up. If I fib this bar to this bar, right? We had a retrace of 618, 1618, 1618. So I'm kind of waiting for crude a little bit to see if it's going to continue to retrace some of this larger move, right, from here. Right, big large move down, starting to retrace. We have the 618 retrace, which is the 1611, right? This is a big decision area. So if we break through this, we can look for a move back up to the 50% retrace of this larger move down, and possibly, this would be a pretty big move. I'd like to see maybe a burst to here and then a retrace and then a move back up. Okay. ZB, which is bonds. Talk about picture perfect fibs, right? Doji, right? Move up, retrace, large move up to the 1618. So, right, we take our fib from this high to this low, right? And then this move hits the 1618, like almost to the dot. Now we're looking at a retrace, or a pullback to some support levels here, and which is also the 1414 of the downside move. So we're moving down, we retrace, move back down. Do we get a push back down to previous low and the 1618, and then retrace back up to, right? That'd be a nice little large move. I would expect a little consolidation around here for the next couple of days. I'll keep an eye on it towards the end of the week. Yeah. And then looking at the old yen, right? Everybody loves it when the yen's down, right? Large move up, move down, retrace, down 1414. We may see an additional move back down to the 1618 and then make a new low. Okay, that's it for me. I'm going to try to do these every couple days. And yeah, if that's it, if you guys have any questions, let me know. I am using the Thinkorswim application today simply because I'm on my laptop and I already had it loaded up. I didn't want to have to rebuild the charts in the FlowTrade desktop. But if you haven't seen the new FlowTrade desktop, you can trade anything off of that. It's amazing. All the tools are built into it. Go check them out, flowtrade.com. Thanks and have a great day.